Welcome to another vehicle walk around at Northwest Edmonton Toyota. Today we're looking at this 2020 Toyota 4Runner in this nice silver color. Underneath the hood you have a 4.0 liter V6 engine, as well as a 7-passenger SUV. Comes with 17-inch alloy wheels, fog lights, splash guards, as well as roof rack rails. We have a key fob that's a smart key that has lock and unlock. And then right inside of our doors, you'll notice that you have your power windows as well as your power locks. Next to our steering wheel here, we have our switch for left and right mirrors. We have our brightness settings, as well as we have our automatic high beams and our de-icer for our windshield wipers. Down here, this will open up your front hood. We have our power seat settings right down here next to the seat. And this 4Runner comes equipped with beautiful black and gray two-toned leather seating, as well as you're getting your very own moonroof. We're going to be taking a look at the inside features of our 4Runner now. Over here we have our stick for the lights, as well as we have our volume buttons and some radio controls. We also have voice commands and call commands. On the right side we have our menu options for the screen in the middle that currently has driving support. We have our system messages, safety settings, speed, steering angle, as well as audio controls. You also have your safety settings like blind spot monitoring and lane departure alert. On our main home screen, we're getting your phone information with Bluetooth, as well as you have your trip information. You also have your radio or audio information if your phone was connected. When put into reverse, you'll be getting your backup camera for a safe parking experience. Just below that, we're going to be having our AC control options, as well as we have our 4x4 knob. And next to the transmission, we have our window seat for the back window, as well as we have our heated seats for the left and right side. In the back, you're going to have your LED brake lights, as well as you're going to notice that you have your backup camera right next to the handle here, as well as a lock function. Once inside, you'll notice you're going to get plenty of storage space, as well as you get your very own cargo cover. You have your third row seating right down here, as well as these back seats for the second row can be put down for even more storage space. You also have charger and electrical outlet over here for your back passengers. Here's a last look at our 2020 4Runner that comes with third row seating, power moonroof, as well as AC controls and heated seats. Come down to Northwest Edmonton Toyota to take this 4Runner for a test drive and find out more.